Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I received this package from the brand the Fitville. I want to say thank you to Renee for sending me this women's Amadeus tennis and pickleball court shoes V2. I chose the color white with violet. It features a spacious toe box that protects sensitive toes. Say goodbye to cramped feet. It has an anatomical ortholite insoles with moisture wicking, enhanced by a supportive heel cup and arch design. It is a stretchable knit upper, allows cool air to wick moisture away from your feet. The TPU heel ring stabilizes your gait for secured peak performance. It has a top-notch slip resistance. The thread pattern rubber sole ensures anti-slip and long-lasting durability. Fitville is an ergonomic footwear company with a mission to enhance footwear experience. It was inspired by the founder's passion for running when he found how hard it was to find the best fitting shoes on the market. And with that spirit of inquiry and innovation, the Fitville journey began. Fitville's comfort technology puts comfort in motion. This advanced technology follows the contour of your feet to enhance your movement. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description as well as my discount code CAM30 to get 30% off discount. And that's it. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand and let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!